ginagawa natin?
West Side Story. Rehearsing for
maganda.
that. Yes. So baka po mag-show siya sa September, October sa Meralco Theater. So we're rehearsing every day.
Sino kakanta ng Maria?
Ako. Ask Tony.
Favorite song ko yun.
Really?
Sa buong West Side Story.
Maria, I just met a girl named Maria, and suddenly I found how wonderful a sound can be. Maria, say it loud and there's music playing. Say it soft and it's almost like praying. Yes.
Doon nasa
Maria, I'll never stop saying Maria.
Yan eh, si Carlene ganyan, no? Galing, ano? What a soothing voice at sa pakinggan, and I can listen to it endlessly.
Thanks,
Ay,
boss.
ganun. Nabalitaan ko lang today, meron kang bagong vocal coach.
That's actually a secret.
Pero since, nandito rin tayo.
Okay. Vocal coach, yes. si
Bagong
Jody.
vocal coach mo, si Jody.
Ever since.
Ever since,
Star in a Million. Ever since. Kaya nga ako natanggal kasi naging busy siya. Hindi na niya ako na-coach. So,
yun ang problema. Sorry to hear that. Kaya para lalong ma-expand yung range mo. Kumbaga, kung merong Manny Pacquiao, may Freddie Roach, Christian Bautista, may Jody Santa Maria. Galing mo talaga. Sabi ko sa'yo, talented. Well, just do me a favor, Please, balitaan mo kami kasi ayaw namin ma-miss ang West Side Story.
yes, sir. Thank you.
Hello po.
Hello.
Kumusta na po?
Okay naman.
First time?
Yeah.
First time mo sa game show?
Hindi, dito.
First time dito?
Yeah.
Well, si Lara is here practically weekly. Parang resident.
Regular show.
Resident contestant namin yan eh. At kanina ko nakita, well, of course, first time ko nakita, ang saya-saya mo kanina, no?
Tawag din.
Kasi
Nakasagot pa.
ayaw mo lang tumagal dun sa gallery. Gusto mong masabak agad. And you? Well, so kanina, I know you have a beautiful baby also, and we
Yeah.
all have dreams. What is the dream for your baby?
Same din sa sinabi niya. Hindi, pero gusto ko siya maging singer, dancer, lahat. Doctor, lawyer.
Talaga? So by the time na
Kung
makapag-practice,
anong gusto niya.
so by the time na makapag-practice siya,
Hindi,
kasi
gusto ko
60
na
anyos na siya.
Pilot pala.
Pilot din.
Magulo yung utak ko, so sana yung utak niya hindi magulo.
Magulo utak mo. Di ba nakakausapin ko? Really? Just relax. Ang gusto namin kasi mangyari dito, and you know, hindi lang yung manalo pa ng maraming pera, but we
Yeah.
also want you to have fun.
Okay.
Good luck, Miss Carly. Napapansin ko lang kanina, sinabi ko kay DJ MOD, na parang mas komportable ka na ngayon sa industriya.
Yes! Kasi marami na ako na-experience ng mga bagay-bagay.
Yeah. May dramatic. But lahat yan i-contribute sa sinasabi ng growth natin sa industry.
And it makes you stronger.
And a better person,
Yes,
hopefully.
definitely.
Di ba? No, but also before, kasi una kitang nakilala was on the set of your show with sina
That's my dog.
kay Yani at kay Aga. At medyo, kung kapanon, no? Medyo,
Ngayon,
medyo ferocious ka na. Di ba? Ngayon, tumatahol ka na eh.
lumalaban na.
No, yun, lumalaban na. But then, again, no regrets, di ba?
No.
Well, kasama naman yan sa industriya eh. Kaya,
Thank you.
welcome back. Thank you. Good luck again sa'yo.
Inom pa.
Good luck. Let's play. Okay. Eto na, sa round na ito, you will pick a word. Diyan magagaling ang tanong. Each question is worth 1,000, 3,000, at 5,000 pesos. Bigyan mo ako ng 5 consecutive correct answers. Panalo ka ng aming pot money that today is now worth 90,000 pesos. Sarap! Tamang diskarte pa rin ang kailangan dahil dagdag bawas ang labanan. Ang tatlo na may pinakamalaking naipon after 8 minutes, sila ang pasok sa next round. Kaya good luck sa inyo. Kamay sa dibdib. Let's play. Ako magsisimula. 5,000 hayop. Sa food, anong uri ng hayop ang bariles? A. Isda. B. Baboy. C. Ibon. Lara,
Isda?
that's correct. Okay, distracted ha. Pick a word.
5,000 ngiti.
Kasunod sa aling Philippine region, matatagpuan ang tinatawag na City of Smiles. Jody,
Bacolod.
that is wrong. Steve. Yes, Laila,
Visayas.
that is wrong. Accurately, Bacolod is the City of Smiles, but we were asking for the region. In this case, ang tamang sagot is Western Visayas. Okay? So, Lara, ikaw pa rin, pick a word.
1,000 katawan.
Ilang degrees sa Fahrenheit scale ang normal temperature ng human body? Jody,
107.
that is wrong. Still, anyone? Choices are Carlene,
37 degrees.
that is wrong. Correct answer is 98. Acceptable 98.6 or rounded off to 99. Lara, ikaw pa rin, pick a word.
5,000 beauty.
Sa Pinoy slang, ano ang maganda sa taong sinabihan ng hanep ang wang kata? Carlene,
Katawan.
that is correct. Ito start ka na, pick a word.
3,000 puti.
Sa American TV, sa anong game show nakilala si Vanna White? Jody,
Wheel of Fortune.
that's correct. Come on, start it, pick a word.
5,000 first.
Ayon sa latest list ng Forbes magazine, sino ang the most powerful celebrity in the world? A. Christian. Oprah? That is correct. Actually, this is her third time sa number 1 slot. Christian, ikaw na ngayon, pick a word.
Okay, 1,000 files.
Kumpleto ang title ng current TV show ni Gabby de la Merced. DJ Laila.
Gabby's Extraordinary Files.
That is correct. Okay, discard ka na, pick a word.
5,000 rock.
Kumpleto ang kasabihan, batong-bato sa blind at tamaan, huwag magalit. Carlene.
Bato-bato sa langit.
That's correct. Discard ka na, pick a word.
3,000 katulad.
Ayon sa lyrics ng OPM song na awitin mo at isasayaw ko sa anong uri ng daan, inihahalin tulad ang pag-ibig. A. Kalye, B. Kalsada, C. Lansangan. DJ Laila.
Lansangan.
That's correct. Okay, Laila, discard ka na, pick a word.
3,000 deadly.
Ano ang title ng Juan de la Cruz song na may lyrics na dead na dead talaga ako sa mga pakembot-kembot ko? DJ Laila.
No touch.
Correct! Laila, ito mo.
3,000 awit.
Anong kanta ni Michael Jackson ang may opening lyrics na there's a place in your heart and I know that it is love? A. You rock my world. B. Heal the world. Jody.
Heal the world.
That's correct. Maganda to, ha? Okay, you're back to 0. It's up to you now. Discard ka na, Jody. Pick a word.
5,000 isa.
Ano ang kaisa-isang chemical element na ipinangalan sa isang American state? A. Americium. B. Californium. C. Uranium. Carly.
C. Uranium.
Wrong. Steve. Christian.
California?
Californium is the correct answer. Okay, Christian, discard ka na. Pick a word.
Okay, 1,000 ikaw.
Anong song ng Aegis Band na may lyrics na akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin? A. Ulan. B. Sinta. C. Luha.
Luha.
If you're correct, naku, makakapawi. We'll find out sa ating pagbabalik dito sa Pilipinas. Game ka na ba? Game na!